Good day mga kanitib. Balik po tayo dito sa programa sa The Philippine Tip Chicken Digital TV. We're broadcasting dito po sa Technology Business Center sa loob mismo ng campus ng Central Philippine University. Ang CPO po is a private university headed by our President, Reverend Dr. Ernest Howard Daguhoy. Kasama na po kaming Chairman of Board Trustee, Attorney Peter Corbera. Ito po yung kaibigan, kakakibat po nyo sa pag-Tip Chicken commercial scale. Si Philippine Tip Chicken, Doc James, for short, na magandang gabi po. Magandang araw po sa ating mga followers all throughout the world. Sa ating mga OFW dyan sa labas ng Pilipinas. Kay Sir Cyrus Arabio and his loving wife. Pag-visiting Mrs. Arabio, pag-visiting the Central Philippine University. Thank you sir sa pagpunta dito po sa my CPU. Sa ating mga ka-native dyan, sa mga OFW, if you can find time to visit our research center, please do so po. This is a recorded video that we have, kahit paano po, para share naman po tayo ng kaunting kalaman yan sa inyo po. Sa ating mga vloggers pala na gumagamit po ng ating mga video dito at saka na mga idea, maraming salamat sa pagtulong kay Philippine Tip Chicken para palaganap natin po ang kalaman tungkol sa palagan ng Tip Chicken in commercial scale. To our followers in Indonesia, Vietnam, and Thailand that keep on increasing number, thank you for following the Philippine Tip Chicken. Hope the information that we are sharing in this video could be of help, especially in raising your own local chicken in your respective country. I know that the technology developed at Central Philippine University, it is also viable in your place for as long as the climatic condition is similar here in the Philippines. As long as we belong in tropical countries, I know this technology is viable. I know that Sir Arabio, even in Australia, try to adopt this technology in Australia. Thank you, Sir Arabio, and to our OFW that keep on following us. Thank you to support to the Philippine Tip Chicken. Sa ating mga ka-native dyan, if you found this program is informative, pakishare naman po dyan sa mga kilala po nyo na sa tingin po nyo si Philippine Tip Chicken po makatulong dyan sa inyo. Sa ating mga kababayan, dito malapit sa Central Philippine University, lalo na po dito sa may Iloilo, that would like to venture on this kind of project, this kind of farming system para po pwede bang daan muna dito sa CPO para mapag-usapan natin on how Central Philippine University makatulong po sa inyo. Yan kasi ang advokasya ni Philippine Tip Chicken dito po sa Central Philippine University na makatulong po sa ating mga ka-native all throughout na kung saan that keep on raising Tip Chicken on backyard scale and wanted to upgrade the production system from the backyard going to what they call the commercial scale. Baka may gusto po kayo, would like to avail for the book. We have the book here. This is written by me personally. This is the book on the basic concept on commercial production of organic Philippine Tip Chicken. All the information na kailangan po nyo, the basic concept and how the technology we develop at CPO, kung paano po yun materialize can be found in this book. Sa mga gusto po dyan, please contact Miss Dana or kindly PM the Philippine Tip Chicken para mibigay ko po ang number ni Miss Dana. Free shipping na po, nationwide. Hindi po nyo ito makikita on the bookstore, only here at the Philippine Native Chicken po. So, kung sa tingin po nyo, makatulong po sa inyo, the basic concept and raising native chicken in commercial scale, nandito po nakalagay. Ang ngayon kasi, ang mga pinapalabas po nating information kasi, that is what they call the advances. Ibig sabihin, mas maganda kung ang pinaka-basic na concept malaman muna natin para at least na pagpunta doon sa advance, alam mo kung bakit na ganoon ang resulta. So sa mga gusto dyan, you can contact Miss Dana for this book on a commercial production of organic native chicken. This is about 300 pages, 276. Again, this is a full color one, supplemented with the photos na kung saan po para at least mas mabilis po natin maintindihan no, ang loob po nitong libro po. No, sa mga gusto niyan, no, kindly contact Miss Dana. Now, ngayong araw, no, pagpatuloy po natin yung diskusyon natin, no, about integration of native chicken, no, to our other farming enterprise. Native chicken as the base enterprise, no, yung ko bakit na isi-share natin. And we have discussed some of the concept, no, why we keep on pushing, no, on raising native chicken in commercial scale. Ngayong araw, no, ang tanong ngayon, after learning all those basic concept, no, on the raising of native chicken in commercial scale, no, ano naman ba, paano ba natin ma-establish, no, ang ating mga farm dyan sa native chicken? Now, no, iyan ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. Yung ko bakit na kung sa tingin po nyo, no, ang programa po natin is informative. No, please have it be shared sa mga kilala po ninyo na sa tingin po nyo, no, makatulong po si Philippine Native Chicken. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-follow, naka-like o naka-subscribe, no, in our social media platform here in the Facebook and YouTube, no, please do so para every time that we have this recorded video, no, ma-notify po kayo ng ating social media platform. No. Now, ang tanong ngayon, no, how can I start, no, with my own farm? No, ibig sabihin po, no, if we are targeting, no, our own project, no, ang tanong palagi is that na paano ba tayo makapag-umpisa, no, sa ating project. No, iyan kasi ang pinaka-basic na tanong. Yung kung bakit palagi sabi ko dito sa ating live stream program that hindi mahirap po ang mag-umpisa at hindi mahirap ang tapusin ang project. Pero, no, kung nandiyan kayo sa kalagitnaan na marami na yung manok mo, tapos nagka-problema, wala ka pa pampuntahan, wala ka matanungan, lagot na. Na pag marami na manok nyo, tapos wala pang marketing assistance, lagot pa rin. No, yung kung bakit at Philippine Native Chicken, no, right now, Iloilo, now we're extending our technical and marketing support to those who would like to adapt to the technology we developed, no, at Central Philippine University. Yung kung bakit na sa ating maka-native na malapit dito sa Iloilo, na if you want to raise native chicken commercial scale, pwede bang daan muna dito sa CPU, no, para mapag-usapan po natin. So, ang tanong ngayon, how can I start, no, with my own farm? Alam nyo kasi maka-native, mas maganda na yung may farm po tayo, no, but looking at it, no, dapat na ano ba ang dapat ang pinaka-basic na kaalaman na dapat malaman natin, no, when we are planning to establish our own native chicken farm. Ang target dito is more on what I call the commercial production. Ibig sabihin, if you'll be raising the native chicken in backyard scale, hindi mo po kailangan ng idea na ito po. No? But if you'll be intended to raise native chicken in greater flock size, kailangan po ninyo ang ideyang ito. No? In hoping that makatulong po ang Philippine Native Chicken po sa inyo. Now, ang tanong ngayon, how can you start your native chicken project? Ang isa palagi is that na it should start from you. No? Na naka-acronym kasi ang EU. Ibig sabihin, your objective in this undertaking. Ano ba ang pinaka-target mo? Bakit gusto mo mag-alaga ng native chicken? Now, given in right now that palagi sabi is that na pag nag-alaga po kayo ng manok, engaging the project in agriculture, given that no, ang data sa ngayon daw, sabi nila, no projection that El Nino, no, will persist the next 5 years. No, and then, no, may mga data po tayo na ang Pilipinas naman daw is will always be on the top importer of rice, no, in the whole world. No, ibig sabihin yan, ano bang ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin na may kita ba talaga sa pagsasaka? Yung kung bakit na pag-isipan natin maigi, and that is why that in establishing your own farm, na your objective na is very critical. Huwag po tayo mag-start ng ating respective farm because you wanted to raise, no, you wanted to plant, no, you wanted to plant eggplant, no, kamote, and others, you wanted to raise native chicken kasi nakita mo doon sa may Philippine Native Chicken, maganda ang project nila. No, hindi po doon nag-umpisa yan. No, bakit? Because that objective of yours, no, is very critical in proving that indeed there is profit in engaging in agriculture. Anong ibig sabihin? Dapat na bago po kayo mag-umpisa ng project po ninyo, please equip yourself first. Kung wala pa ninyo, you are attending various seminars and conferences, and even private tutorial or mentoring, and you are paying for it, kasi ibig sabihin yan, pwede bang instead na dumaan ka doon, na sa medyo mahirap na bahagi no sa pag-establish ng project na yan, na can we have it start not from the number 1, can we start it on number 5? Bakit? Kasi mas maganda na yan na may nagme-mentor po sa inyo. Ibig sabihin po, now when you start raising native chicken, make sure na ano ba talaga ang pinaka-goal po natin. And usually this goal, no, it should be na tantamounting into a specific value, no. Magkano ba dapat ang kitain natin? And if you are speaking about the income, it should not only be limited on the income. Kaysa income kasi, may expense pa kasi yan. Can we have it, the goal, no, it should be measurable. Na kung saan ibig sabihin, no, I wanted to earn 30,000 per month, no, in this raising of chicken. Ang tanong ngayon, gaano ba kalawak ang area pa natin? Yan mga ka-native ang tandaan po natin. Otherwise kasi, if we are starting farming, if we are starting to raise native chicken, na wala po tayong specific objective and why we engage in this kind of project, nothing and nothing will happen to us. Yan kasi mga ka-native ang very critical, now especially if we are engaging ourselves in this kind of project. Marami na po ang nag-engage on native chicken. Now, halos, no, sa pag-umpisa, no, okay lang, pero ang problema sa kalaunan, no, doon pumasok yung mga problema nila, yung kung bakit na nagkalugi na, nagkandalit siya na yung buhay sa pag-alaga ng manok, walang mapuntahan. And that is why at Philippine Native Chicken, no, here at Central Philippine University, no, we are a specialized research station on native chicken. All the story, all you need about native chicken can be found at Central Philippine University for as long as your target is more on the commercial scale of production. Ibig sabihin, now, if your target is more on the backyard, hindi po nyo kailangan ang Philippine Native Chicken ng Central Philippine University. Pero, if you are targeting to have it be on the commercial scale, na yung palagi sabi that na there should always a technology on it. Otherwise, kasi kung walang technology packages to follow on it, na tingnan po nyo na nangyari. To those who are able to venture on the production of native chicken on the backyard na parin scale, na kung saan po maramihan ang manok, tingnan nyo kung ano nangyari po sa inyo. At the start, maganda po yun. Possibly in the next first to 2 years, maganda po yung takbo ng pag-alaga nyo ng manok yan sa respective area nyo. However, na on the 3rd and 4th year, no, papunta na doon sa matagalan na, no, once the area is highly infected with diseases, lagot na. Or what they call the pathogens on your place. And that is why that sabi namin is that na, ngayon, magkano ang presyo ng lupa? Sobrang mahal kasi. So meaning, that if you're engaging this kind of project, now can we have it on a limited area but we can stock a large number of chicken na hindi sa mabaho, no, hindi sa malangaw, but it will produce a quality of native chicken na kailangan talaga ng market. And that is where the Central Philippine University Research Station for Philippine Native Chicken comes in. Yan mga ka-native. No? And that is why that we are presenting this video, no, kahit paano po, no, makatulong po dyan sa inyo. Again, if you find this program informative, no, paki-follow naman, paki-like naman, no, at saka share naman po dyan sa inyong mga kakilala na sa tingin po niya makatulong si Philippine Native Chicken. Now, that is one way that we can disseminate this information. At the same time, sa ating pala mga Pilo vloggers, now, again, if you found this information na makatulong po dyan sa inyo, no, please do so. No? Sa mga gusto dyan, no, to further enrich the content, no, of your blogging, now we have the book here, no, the commercial production, the book on commercial production of native chicken, now whereby the basic concept, no, of raising native chicken is written in this one. Now, this is a technical book, no, na kung saan po nyo, magamit po nyo dyan sa inyo respective na mga blogging. And even to our racers, no, na kung saan, no, we need to have it, na kung saan ang impormasyon, no, na magamit po nyo, basic concept po dapat malaman natin before we proceed to advances. Otherwise kasi, pag ang basic hindi pa natin malalaman, lagot po tayo. No? Diyan po mapasok. And that is why that we continue on this campaign, no, this blogging that we have, no, para makatulong po sa inyo. This is a scientific blogging, no, here at Central Philippine University. Sa mga gusto po na bumili ng libro, no, you can contact Miss Dana po, or you can message the Philippine Native Chicken para may bigay ko po sa inyo, no, ang direct link going to Miss Dana. Again, no, in behalf ng aming Presidente, Reverend Dr. Ernest Huardaguhoy, no, hoping that the information that again we shared, no, to this video, no, makatulong naman po sa inyo, and hoping to see you naman ulit, no, para sa continuation ating lecture series dito po sa Philippine Team Second. Again, na maraming salamat, no, for the continued support that you will be given, no, to the Philippine Team Second. No. See you naman sa sunod na video. God bless and keep safe. Kita naman tayo ulit, no, sa susunod na video ng ating programa.